Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up Face ID on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe this channel. So guys, first of all, disable require attention for Face ID. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode here. So scroll down and here is the required attention for Face ID. Tap to turn this off. Tap on OK here, and then after this go back, and then after this the next solution is set up an alternative appearance for the same user. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode. So here is the set up an alternate appearance. Tap on it, tap on get started. So guys, set up alternate appearance for the same user. So after this the next solution is enable raise to wake feature. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on display and brightness, scroll down. So here is the raise to wake option, enable it. So guys, after this go back, and so guys, after this the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll, tap on software update. So guys, wait for checking for update. So guys, I have the latest version on my iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.